Most traders are losing a lot of money these days because they're trying to predict the future, they're trying to overtrade, and it just leads to lost money over time. Instead, I do the exact opposite. I use a very boring mechanical system that turns market panic into over a $6,000 a year travel fund. It's a strategy that has banked me over $40,000 in pure profit since 2020, and it's something that I think any of you guys can do. It is extremely simple. It just requires patience. So before we get started, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the hype button so the algorithm knows I exist. Let's get started. Now, I love this strategy so much because it's so easy. You're only going to be using the strategy on 3 specific stocks: Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia. And you know they're not just stocks, it's the basic infrastructure of the global economy right now. And because of that, they have massive cash piles, they have great buyback programs. So whenever they dip, you know they're going to slingshot back up once the market gets a little bit better. So here is the strategy, nice and easy. Every time one of these things hits an all-time high or a massive peak, and then it proceeds to drop 20%, you are going to buy those stocks. They may happen on different days, of course, but the day Microsoft goes down 20% from the peak, you're gonna buy. Apple, buy. Nvidia, buy. And here's the thing, you're not gonna wait for it to pop up 5% or 10% or 20%, not like that. You're just gonna wait for it to hit all-time highs, and then you're gonna sell. On average, it only takes about 4 to 5 months, and then boom, you got really great results. You know, if you guys are holding the SPY or the NASDAQ or something like that, you guys know on average your account is going to grow by around 10 to 13% for a year. But these things drop 20% multiple times a year, and then they proceed to hit all-time highs. So you could beat the market very easily if you just buy these massive dips. They are so large, they can manipulate the price of their own stock back up to all-time highs. And that's something that's incredibly beautiful because their foundations are strong, yet their greed is also stronger, which is something that I very, very much like. So you guys can determine how much money you want to put in here, but every time one of these stocks drops 20%, you guys can buy. And here's what you guys can do to even make more money. Usually it won't just stop at 20%, maybe it'll go down to 22%, 25%, 30% if you guys are lucky, but 20% is where they average out because that's where big money starts to really flood back into the system. But if you see it go down 25%, you can buy more. If it goes down 30%, you can buy even more because that snap back up to all-time highs is going to be where you're taking your profit and you're very happy with the results. Now pay very close attention to this. This is every time we've seen these signals since 2020. We had 4 signals in 2020, 1 signal in 2021, in 2022, 3, then 2, then 2, then 1, then 2. And so far, we're only in April, May of 2026. And look at this. We've already had 2 signals and they've already given us good profits off of the Iran war. But this is what I want you guys to focus on, right? Those profits, of course, but those profits really are based off of how much you're putting into the system, right? So 3.5 months, 5.5 months, 16 months, that was the inflation. 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 3 months. Average time for this is around 6 months to make back a good profit. And you can see right here, the average for me is around $4,300 a year, but you can see what happened that actually caused these drawdowns and how the market had a very strong rebound following that. You had the COVID drop, peak stimulus churn, bear market, banking crisis, and AI pivot, election year volatility, policy and tariff pullbacks, Iran conflict. That's kind of the stuff that will cause those drawbacks. But here's what I love about this. I'm only selling at all-time highs, but you guys know once all times happen, we continue to go higher and higher and higher. So check this out. Above me, you have Apple, next to that Nvidia, then over here, Microsoft. These red lines were the last 20% dips that we saw. For Apple, you can see it went much further than the dip over here. However, you could have always bought more, but it only took a few months for it to snap back up and you sold right there at that level of resistance. Back over here for Nvidia, it snapped back. Within a month, you were back at all-time highs. And then, of course, for Microsoft, we had a dip over here. And then again, within about 2 months, let's say 3 months, you guys were all-time highs again. Easy ins, easy outs. It's mechanical, and you can do this with large amounts of capital. And if you guys know how to play options for multiples of like 6 months, 8 months, you guys can also play it along those lines as well. But here's one thing that I really want you guys to focus on because people just don't like it for whatever reason. It's something that you guys can buy and forget about, and you guys just casually check back on it. Hey, how's Nvidia doing this month? Hey, how's Microsoft doing? Hey, how's Apple doing? And this will actually net you a lot more money than if you guys were just trying to swing trade and learn how to day trade throughout this entire mess that we've been experiencing. Also, this has happened multiple times before, but you guys can see, for example, in Nvidia, the last 20% drop that we had a high. 20% was right here, right? So it went down a lot further. You can always add to that position, but let's say you're content and you're okay with it going down 20-30%, because sometimes that happens with volatile stocks. And yes, Nvidia is very, very volatile. However, after that move, it decided to go higher and higher. So let's assume you bought over here at 20% down, right? From that 20% that you bought, it actually goes down another 30%. A new trader is going to get panicked and they're going to freak out and they may sell during that. An experienced trader may double down at these levels of support with Fibonacci levels and whatnot. But if you would have held until we started to consolidate again, that you can imagine us looking at different stochastics and RSIs and stuff like that to kind of figure out what was going on. And let's say you sold not at the top, but over here, kind of that mid zone, you'd be walking away with around 52%. That's what really counts as you guys learn to invest for a very long period of time. And this will pay for a lot of stuff. I use it for vacations, but you guys can use it for a down payment on a house. You guys can do down payment on a car. All of this becomes very, very easy as long as you guys are able to wait for those volatile moments. I think what happens is we get caught up in some of these nasty moves and we start looking for like help and advice. We go to YouTube, we look at the TV, CNBC, and Bloomberg, and they're all saying, well, I'm not touching this right now. This seems a little bit too much. Well, what you do is you follow the mechanics, you follow what's work. Okay, I'm buying at the 20% drop. Oh my gosh, it went down another 10-15%. Well, guess what? I'm adding more because these companies are too big to fail. Yes, they can be volatile. Yes, they can be boring. Yes, they can be mechanical in a certain way. However, the money is always there, and that's why you see so many people always jumping in and buying them. The media is there to kind of shake you out so it can keep on falling so all of the institutions can buy back up. Don't fall for the trap. Instead, 20% buy, wait for all-time highs, sell, or wait for all-time highs, scale at 50%, wait another 4 or 5 months for another big move, and then boom, you can sell the rest of it there. But I want to have my money in and out. I don't really want to be holding for years and whatnot. If I do something like that, I'm doing it with my retirement portfolio. All right, if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks. Hey everyone, today's sponsor is WEEX, a global crypto trading exchange where you can trade hundreds of cryptocurrencies, use futures and spot markets, and even copy expert traders, all from one secure platform. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Thanks.